Hi guys, welcome back to my channel after so long. So in today's video, I'm going to share all my tips and tricks I use to make my makeup last long in this ridiculously hot summer. So yeah, if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. The first thing I like to do is massage my face with some ice because that's just going to make your skin, not just your skin, but also it makes you feel really refreshed and awake. So I like to massage my face with some ice as soon as I wake up. Also, if your eyes and your face feels a little bit swollen early in the morning, then massage your face and eyes with some ice cube. That really helps on that. And also massaging your face with ice helps to minimize the appearance of your pores. So you have to do it continuously, not just for a day or two. After that massage, I like to use some sheet mask because if you want to make your foundation last for a long time, then you guys have to make sure that your base is nice because your foundation needs something to stick on to. So if your base is nice, the makeup application will look flawless. So using that sheet mask helps my skin to really hydrate and moisturize. If your base, your skin is not well hydrated and moisturized or primed, your makeup can slip off easily. So you have to make sure on that. Apply that sheet mask, leave it for 10 minutes and let your skin soak that serum really nicely. Till then you can do your brows. To do my brows, I'm using Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade dark brown, and I'm just going to fill in my brows, clean them a little bit and use some brow mascara. The brow mascara that I'm using is from Benefit. When my brows are done, I'm going to take the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and I'm just going to spray this all over my face before primer, just so that my primer and my foundation can stick onto my face for a long time. For the primer, I'll be using my all-time favorite, my go-to primer, which is the Benefit Professional Primer. This is a really good pore filling primer. If you have enlarged pores, it just blurs out your skin, makes everything look nice and smooth. Good base and a good setting spray is the key to make your makeup last long. So we are incorporating these things in this video. Alright, now for the foundation, I have two options for you guys. One is the Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation and another is L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Today I'll be using L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte 1. I will mention all of my shades in the description box below. So these two are completely totally matte foundation. I have dry skin. I never use totally matte foundation because that makes my skin look more dry, but if I want my makeup to stay all day, then I prefer using matte foundation because that way your foundation will not slip off easily. And also I don't like that completely matte face, so I mixed a little bit of MAC strobe cream just so that it can give a little bit of a glow. When it comes to your T-zone, don't apply a fresh layer there. Just dab your sponge with whatever foundation left on the sponge, because if you did a fresh layer there, your foundation can cake up around your T-zone, because that is the area where we tend to get a little bit oily. So do not apply a fresh layer there. And I prefer using my foundation with a beauty blender or any regular sponge rather than a foundation brush, because applying your foundation with a sponge helps to push that product around and it allows you not to use too much or not to cake that face with a lot of foundation, you know what I mean, because that area around your nose and upper lip area and your chin and your forehead is the area where your foundation can slip off easily. Okay, now let's get some concealer. The concealer that I'm using is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade medium, I guess. I'll put all the details in the description box below. So spraying a little bit of all-nighter setting spray onto my sponge, I'm going to blend my concealer. I'm also going to blend that on my lids as a eyeshadow primer. I'm not going to do a lot with my eyes today, just going to apply a little bit of eyeliner only. Again, the same thing, take your sponge, take your time, spray some setting spray, blend it really nicely, make sure your layer is very thin. When the concealer is nicely blended, I'm going to set my face, my foundation, my concealer, everything nicely with the Maybelline matte and poreless powder. When it comes to making your makeup last long, another tip is to use a lot of powder, a really good powder. It doesn't have to be high and expensive powder. The Maybelline Fit Me one is also really good, that comes in tube. The loose powder one is also really good powder. So if you want to make your makeup last long, use a lot of powder, but using a lot of powder can make you look powdery. So to avoid that powdery face, you have to use a lot of setting spray. So spray your face in every step, that way your face will not look powdery and your makeup will also last long. I just did few spritz of setting spray. Now I'm going to use another powder which is from IT Cosmetics. This is my recent favorite powder. It is IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pore powder. It is so good, you guys. It blurs out your skin, it makes everything look smooth, it blurs out your pores, even your pores. Okay, so it is my recent favorite powder. Okay, our face is nicely set now. Your face is bulletproof, even bulletproof now. Your foundation is not going to move. So I'm not going to do anything crazy with my eyes. I'm just going to use a little bit of bronzer on my eyes, just as some transition color, just to give a little bit of color to my lids. So I'm just using the Benefit HOOLA bronzer. I'm going to use the same bronzer on my face as well, just to bronze up my face. I'm gonna do some winged eyeliner today. I'm going to skip this part, I guess. I'm going to do my eyeliner and my eyelashes off screen. So after that, after my eyeliner, I'm going to use a little bit of eyeshadow to my lower lash line as well, just to balance that out. So yeah, I just applied my lashes off screen. I used the ARDEL DEMI Wispies. Now I'm applying some mascara to my lower lash line, sorry, lower lashes. You can use any mascara you have. It's just the basic thing. For the blush, I'll be using the one from Tarte. I don't remember the shade name exactly. I'll put it in the description box below. I really love their blushes because they're really mild, gives that flushed tone to your cheeks. So I really enjoy Tarte blushes. Or I cannot speak as a For the highlighter, I'm using my favorite highlighter from JOUER. This is in the shade Citrine. I'm also going to spray a little bit of setting spray on my highlighting brush, just so that it can pop my highlighter a little bit. So I'm just going to highlight to all those usual areas. Okay, now lastly for the lips, I'm going to do my favorite, absolute favorite lip combo, which is NYX lip liner in the shade Cold Brew, and on top of that I'll be using my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. This is one of my top favorite nude lipstick, such a perfect nude lipstick for my complexion. I absolutely love this combo. Lastly, again, few spritz of setting spray one more time, just to set everything in place. So one tip I like to give you guys, another tip I like to give you guys is you can carry some bloating papers with you to avoid that greasiness and oiliness you get after a few hours of doing your makeup. You can buy these bloating papers from True Nepal. I will put their link in the description box below. You will not get these bloating papers in local cosmetic stores. you have to order it, you have to pre-order it from some online stores. You can do that. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and also do let me know, do you guys like my new background? Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell. I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.